In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and manage your TradingView watchlist. This tutorial is perfect for those of you who maybe are new to TradingView or just need a little refresher on how to keep your watchlist tidy and organized. First things first, we want to head over to your TradingView account and go straight to the chart you're interested in. If you're logged in, you'll find the chart feature in the main menu. Once you're on your desired chart, you're already set up to start customizing your watchlist to fit your trading needs. Now, let's talk about the watch list itself. You'll notice on the interface, typically to the right-hand side, there's a column with all your saved tickers or symbols. Keeping this list organized is crucial, especially if you're managing several stocks, forex pairs, or cryptocurrencies. The goal today is to show you how to keep this space clean and tailored specifically to your current trading interests. To manage your watch list, you want to look for the small trash icon that usually appears on the right side of the watch list. This icon is your go-to for removing any tickers that no longer serve your trading strategy. Hovering over the item you want to remove usually makes the trash icon visible, allowing you to click and delete. It's as simple as that. Deleting old symbols can help you visualize and quickly access only the markets you're actively trading or researching. It's worth mentioning that keeping your watchlist updated not only helps declutter your dashboard, but also enhances your focus on viable trading opportunities. Sometimes less is more, and by concentrating only on the most pertinent tickers, you can act faster when the market gives you the green light. A little tip is to regularly reassess which tickers you're watching. Markets are dynamic, and what might have been a priority last month may no longer be relevant. It's a best practice to perhaps, once a week or so, go through and clean up your list. Trust me, staying on top of this simple task can greatly increase your efficiency and concentration. Remember, the streamlined process we covered can be repeated as often as necessary. It assists in keeping your TradingView experience smooth and clutter-free. Whether you're a day trader or someone who only checks the charts a few times a week, having a tailored watch list can make a substantial difference in your trading workflow. I encourage you to try this out after watching our video, taking some time to optimize your workspace. It can make your trading day feel a lot more manageable and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tips on optimizing your TradingView experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!